You can hear the sound of motor inside, but it's not doing anything. The function of the motor is to fold the mirror like that with a push of a button, but there gotta be something wrong with the cogwheel inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I am now removing this cover, but before doing that, make sure this thing is slightly removed from this big cover. You have to just slide it forward and it will just come off. And let's take this cover off. From the bottom. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Two screws. There you go. 2 screws. Take this cover off. One, two, three, 4. One, two screws. Now you can see some cogwheels inside. Let's take that off because that's broken. That looks broken. So there you go. As you can see, the cogwheel is broken. You can see the crack in here. So I'm going to replace that with the middle one. Hope you can see the difference. There's a crack in it right here. It opens like that. Yeah, there's a big crack in there, so it's broken. Back in position. A perfect fit. Put these caps back on. And I put a lot of grease on it. And then reassemble back together. Let's put this back in. Terminal back in. Right. Alright, the assembly is done. Let's put this back on the car. It actually has to go inside there, but this is just a little test, so and see if it works. Ah, good, perfect, it falls. Good. Now the mirror angle to the left, to the top, to the right, to the bottom. Good, everything is functioning perfectly. Great. Very good. Like that. Put this back on. Like that. That goes back in. There we go. Have that go through there. There is another cable out here. There we go. And then start from the very top and just hang it. Good. Put this back in place like that, and then push these back. There you go. That's back in the spot. It seems it's slightly off, so it needs to be slid back. There we go. Put the screw back in there. Another one here. The cover back in place. Alright, all good, finished. Let's just double check everything. Alright, so the final check. This time I'm checking everything, including the power windows. Turn the engine on. Good. Close the door. Now the mirror first. Good, perfect. Angle. Yeah, it changes. Very good, perfect. Yeah. Now the power window going up. Good, both sides. Good. Perfect. All done. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.